Hey everyone, this is Brenda DIY Studio. So today I'm going to be making a room, and I did start it off already, and I'm going to explain to you guys a little bit how I did that. So this is what it's looking like so far, and I want this to be a room kind of like what you see here. So you're going to need a cardboard box. This was a cardboard box I recycled, so you're going to need a cardboard box. And this is just the extra piece of cardboard that came with that box that I cut off. You're going to need a pair of scissors, a marker, and obviously a hot glue gun that I have plugged in right now, so I got to be careful. And then you obviously need your glue for your hot glue gun, and that's really it. So, because I already started it off, it's not much to really, start off with just yet. So, I just finished gluing this part together because it was an opening right here where my fingers are, and I hot glued that together, so now that's closed up. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side that looks like this. I'm going to hot glue that together. So you're going to get your hot glue gun. Put the glue along the cardboard side. And after you hot glue it, you want to hold it down to make sure that it holds. You want to be careful while you're doing it because you don't want to burn yourself, because that hot glue gun is very hot. But it's the best glue to use for when you're crafting, because it just holds everything together better and it's just more secure. All right here. So basically these are the walls of the room, and then this section right here I cut off because that's supposed to be the opening part of the room for when you enter the room. And we're going to grab our extra piece of cardboard that we cut off, and I'm going to actually make a bed. I want to make a bed with a head border. So with a head border, the head border don't really need to be too big. I'm gonna make the head border be like that long, because I want it to be one of the long head borders. Something like this as the head border. The bed's not going to be that big, I'm pretty sure it's not. And just in case if the bed is not, as big, or it's a little bit smaller than the size of this, I will probably cut off the ends or whatever to make it shorter so that it's the same length as the bed. I usually just squishy. Add to it or anything. So now it's looking like this, and then you got your head border. So what you'll do next is bend the cardboard. Now cardboard can be pretty hard to bend, so you have to add pressure to it. But you're gonna bend it and kind of fold it down so it looks like that, and do the same thing to the other side. And like I said, when you fold it over and press down on it, you have to add pressure to it to really get it to form the way you want it to for what you're making, like this, on both sides. It will need to get stopped right here, and that should be the perfect size for it. So right here where this line is that I drew, that's where we're going to cut at for the head border. And that's perfect. See that? Just added the glue. And you gotta put the glue on there first thing when it's hot, and press down on it a little bit too. Press down on it a little bit more because the glue haven't dried just yet. So again, you're gonna get your hot glue gun. you see me doing right now. So yeah, this is what the bed is looking like. This is the front part of the bed, this is the bottom part of the bed. So now we got a bed. Isn't that cool? We got a bed. Now I want to make a dresser. So these two are the same size. The hot glue like right here. Remember, this is hot, so you do really have to be extremely like careful or you will burn yourself. And then press it against the edge. And remember what I said about holding it, letting it sit for a couple of minutes until the other side dries. And I'm holding one and pressing against the other side like I did the other side. At once, I gotta do it in parts, and I want you guys to be able to see the full process of it. I don't want you to miss any parts of it. So if you ever get concerned about the length still not being even, you can always come through and cut this part off again. Just pressing down on this side, but then it didn't really work, so I flipped it on the opposite side and did it the opposite way. And just let it dry. And it pretty much dried, so it looks good. It's nothing to worry about. And there, you have it. Next, we're gonna cut out like some pieces there to add the little shelf. So this will actually go perfectly in there. I might not even have to hot glue it at all. Just slide it in there, and then there you have it. You see that? How cool is that? This takes patience and it takes time, guys. If you don't have patience and you don't have time to do this, trust me, it's not gonna work. Alright, so now we have the bed. And I guess you could put the shelf here. Okay, maybe a cute little desk to go with the room. You're gonna cut out a long piece of cardboard like this. I'll rip off the tape because I don't need a tape. Just to make it a little bit more even, I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. Okay, I wish I would just glue already because it keeps coming. It's looking like. And obviously I'm gonna add the other portion and parts to it, but for now, this is it. Oh no. This is what it's looking like. You have the bed, the little shelf, and then you have the little desk. Well, it's a desk. It's gonna be a desk. But other than that, that's all I have for now. That is not it for the room, but that is it for today of the process of it. I will continue the rest of it probably tomorrow. I'm gonna try to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, please. And let me know in the comments below how you think this room may turn out or how it may look. If you have any ideas of what I could add to it or include in it, let me know. I would like to know your ideas because that will probably make this whole project even better. I would like to know what you guys think as well. So catch you on the next one. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I will see you guys when I continue the other part of it. Thanks. Bye.